So, hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is the no contact reading for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 29th of December. The roles can be reversed also, the action can be from your side also if it is not resonating, not your story. If you want to be a reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. Link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life. This masterclass is life changing. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can book your slots accordingly. And if you have any queries or any issues, you can mail us. Mail ID is changed now. It is no longer the same as it used to be. Please send us the mails on the updated email ID. Okay, let's start. Okay, Virgo, the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are: we have the Magician, the Five of Wands, the Ten of Cups. Wow, Virgo, this is someone who is manifesting this energy of creating some kind of drama or chaos in your marriage, in your commitment, in your relationship, if you're already in a relationship or committed to somebody or married to somebody. If not, they're manifesting this energy of Virgo should never be happy. Virgo should always have trouble in their love and relationship area. Wow. What did you do to make this person this much angry? Why they are manifesting this energy? It's like literally kind of cursing you in some way. Not directly cursing you, but their heart is kind of cursing you in some way. Because they are hurt, they feel like you should also get hurt. Because they are not able to get what they wanted from you, they feel like you should not also get that ever in this lifetime. Wow. They are so deeply affected by whatever is happening or whatever happened. And this is a negative manifestation kind of energy. Very unhealthy. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? We have the King of Wands, the Knight of Cups, the Nine of Wands. See, they want to keep their energies in multiple direction with multiple energies, multiple people, multiple situations. But they want you to connect with them and ask for forgiveness. Not only for forgiveness, you should even cry while you are asking for the forgiveness. What is happening, Virgo? Tell me what is happening here. And they just just want to keep their guard so high that you can't even reach them. Wow. So basically, they want to do whatever they want to do in their life, like enjoying their life to the fullest and not even looking towards you. But they want you to suffer so that you can you are going to ask for forgiveness or something from their side, so that they can insult you or reject you or just keep like block you or keep you blocked or something like that. My goodness, some little bit of revengeful energy, and this is literally making me anxious. Not a very good and not a good, very good, not a good energy at all. Not their intentions, not their feelings. Gosh, stay away from this person, Virgo. Stay the fuck away from this person. Not good for you. Actually, for anybody. Right now, they are in the self-destruction kind of energy. If you're a cross watcher and you are in this energy, I don't know what Virgo did with you. You should forgive yourself for whatever you are feeling and whatever you're plotting against them. Then forgive them. It's a reverse. Forgiving yourself and then forgiving them. Then you are going to be at peace, honey. Cross watcher. It's not good if you are doing all this. If not, then it's not your reading. Leave this reading as soon as possible and just do your thing, okay? Not your reading, maybe. They're not going to do shit about the situation. They're going to continuously think about it, think about all the feelings that they have for you. This person, okay, with all of this energy, they still claim that they have emotions and love for you. Wow. So they're patiently waiting for something to happen in the situation, but they're not doing shit about the situation from their side. They're silent as a wall. They're cold as ice. And they are in this energy of very patiently waiting for something to happen in the situation so that they can, be free. See, hurt people, right? I haven't seen any happy person hurting somebody like because they're happy. I always seen hurt people trying to hurt others or trying to seek revenge or something like that because they are so hurt. That is the deal here. Yeah, I don't see them doing anything about it, but at the same time they can't stop thinking negative about it because they're so hurt by all of this. Guidance for you guys, Six of Cups. Maybe you guys had a very beautiful connection in the past, but the past is gone, Virgo. You have to come out of the past. You have to start living in the present moment. You have to start giving yourself this energy and honesty that the past is gone. All you have is the present moment. The future is yet to come, right? So just because you guys had a good past doesn't mean that it is going to be good in the future as well. This is the thing. This person, this situation is in the past for a very, very valid reason. Understand that reason and keep on reminding yourself the reason. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.